In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your laptop like new again by resetting it to factory settings here on Windows 11. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and reset your laptop, for example, like if you're selling it or you just want to start fresh, here's how you can erase your data and make it like new again. Begin by clicking on the Windows Start button down here and clicking on the settings gear up in the top right section to open up your settings. And from this menu right here, select the system option to open up a page that looks like this. You're going to want to scroll down on this page until you find this recovery tab and select it. From here, you're going to have a few different options. You could choose whatever one you would like, but if you want to reset to factory settings, you're going to want to go ahead and select reset this PC just like so. It'll load, it'll give you two options here, and it'll say keep my files or remove everything. Obviously, you could choose whatever you would like. And then after that, it's going to ask you how you want Windows to be reinstalled. Choose local reinstall and then confirm, and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.